Okay, class, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So let's start the class. Today we are going to do something very exciting. We are going to learn advanced vocabulary, but the interesting thing is from nursery rhymes. Okay, these are one of the most, not one of, like all these rhymes, all of you know, it's very, very popular. All right, so let's start. Okay, the first advanced word is, don't write anything, just listen. Okay, the first word is itsy bitsy. Yeah, itsy bitsy. The meaning is very small, minute, tiny. All right, so now can you guess this rhyme? Do you know this rhyme, anybody? Yeah. Itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. ये वाला. Because इट्सी बिट्सी स्पाइडर का मतलब है कि छोटा सा जो है ना स्पाइडर, मकड़ी, छोटू सा. ठीक है, तो याद हो गया आपको. एडवांस लेवल पे आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दीज इट्सी बिट्सी प्रॉब्लम्स. ये छोटे मोटे मामलों में इतना परेशान मत हो. यू नो, छोटा मोटा प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द इट्सी बिट्सी डॉग वॉज अडोरेबल. स्पाइडर की जगह आप कोई और एनिमल यूज कर सकते हो. You know, like I'm saying dog or maybe a cat. So you say that the itsy bitsy puppy was so adorable. Means the dog was so cute. Yeah, cute, adorable, chotu sa. Okay. She loves to collect itsy bitsy jewelry. Can you tell me the meaning, anybody? She loves to collect itsy bitsy jewelry. Mike.
छोटे छोटे ज्वेलरी, छोटे छोटे इयररिंग्स, छोटे छोटे पेंडेंट.
Yes. That's right. So this is done. 2. Next word. The next word is fetch. Fetch means कोई सामान या कोई इंसान भी हो सकता है. आप जाके आप लेके आया, अपने किसी के लिए आप लेके आए. You know, you go and you get something or someone. Are you understanding? So I'll read it out. I've written go for and then bring back someone or something for someone. Like for instance, airport में कोई आए है, so like you will go to receive that person, right? So you go and fetch that person from the airport. आप गए, उनको लेके आप फिर वापस आए. Can you understand? Like you say that, could you please fetch me a glass of water? मतलब क्या आप मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाएंगे? तो कोई जाके ही तो लाएगा पानी. Can you guess the rhyme? Say.
Water.
Yes. Jack and Jill went up the hill
to fetch a fill of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown,
and Jill came tumbling after. Exactly. This will give you more words like a pail of water. A pail of water means a bucket of water. Okay? Like tumbling after. What do you mean by tumbling after? Roll करते हुए वो गिर गई बेचारी जिल, है ना? जैक का तो क्राउन टूट गया, वो गिरा, फिर जिल भी वो ऐसे गिरते गिरते आई. Can you understand? So for example, the lady unfortunately couldn't manage the sari and tumbled down the remaining stairs. Okay? वो सारी मैनेज नहीं कर पाई, तो क्या हुआ, जो बाकी के जो स्टेयर्स थे वो रोल होके वो बेचारी गिर गई. So this brings us to some more words, correct? So how many did you collect? 3? No, 4. Itsy bitsy, fetch, a pail of water, and also the other one was tumble. Exactly, tumble. 4. I'll stop at 5. Okay, the 5th one is, there's a nursery rhyme very popular. Pussycat, where have you been?
I have been to London to visit the Queen.
Yeah, so very good. Have been to मतलब कि आप कहीं घूमने गए थे. You know, हैवज़ार्ड चैप्टर जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया है, उसी में ये कैटेगरी भी इंक्लूडेड है, जो आप इस राइम से अभी समझ जाएंगी कि हैव बीन टू, देन यू मेंशन नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस लाइक गोवा, चंडीगढ़, कनाडा, न्यूयॉर्क, लंदन, ऐसा. इसका मतलब ये जगह आपने देख लिया है या घूम लिया है. घूरे फेले चो जाएगा तो तुम्हारा देखा. Can you understand? So generally, suppose somebody asks you that, Sanchita, where did you go? Of course you say I went to Kashmir or Sikkim or Puri, Manali, कोई भी. लेकिन you know, कोई भी तो ऐसे भी तो पूछ सकता है कोई, like where have you been to? Have you been to Mumbai ever? So then, if you do not know कि have been to भी होता है, have been to means you name a place, मतलब घूम लिया है आपने, you will be in a false position, you will be completely embarrassed कि ये क्या बोल दिया, क्योंकि बुक में तो हमने have been ing पढ़ा था, present perfect continuous tense, तो इसमें तो ing आएगा, ये क्या हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं. This is another sentence which is quite popular, people use it on daily basis, so I think this is clear. With this we are going to wrap it up. Thank you so much everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am.